What does lockpicking have to do with cybersecurity? Well, there isn't cybersecurity without physical security. I'm gonna teach you how to lockpick padlocks like this. But remember, with great knowledge, great power, comes great responsibility. This video is for educational purpose only. So this is a padlock for training. What you can do, you can just remove this rubber in case you want to see all the mechanisms inside. It really helps to understand how the locking mechanism works. This is the key, and now you can see how the key works. It's basically a combination of patterns that will push the pins in order to unlock the padlock. We're gonna be using this tool and this one as a leverage. All you have to do is to stick this leverage in the opposite side of the pins. Hold it so it won't fall down, and then this tool is gonna go inside and will push all the pins downwards. What you wanna do now, you want to push this leverage in the opposite side and keeps going back and forth with this tool until you unlock it. Simple as that. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. By doing so, you're gonna help me to spread knowledge and create a safer world. Stay curious and keep hacking, ethically, of course. See you in the next one.